guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Media Graphics Beauty. Today I'm collaborating with Fab Fit Fun and I bring you guys their summer box, and we're going to be doing a little review on it and seeing what my box brought. So the first thing I took out of my box is my Fab Fit Fun magazine, where it explains everything that comes in the box, the inspiration of the seasonal box, and much more on it, but I'll touch base on that later. The first item that I pulled out of my box is the Kim wireless charging pad, and I'm so excited for this one because I've been wanting one for the longest time. I love the pattern, it's such a summer vibe, and it brings a long cable in a non-sliding bottom, so that's probably one of my favorite items out of the box. So the second item that I pulled out of the box is the Mineral Sunscreen lotion, and it's SPF 30. I really look forward to using this just because it says it's a mineral face organic matte finish, and it says it has a light as air formula. It also smells amazing. At first I couldn't get a whiff of it, but then it smelled exactly like the beach, so I already love it. But I'll be keeping you guys updated on what I think about it on my Instagram, so you're welcome to follow me. I'll be linking everything in the description box. Third item that I took out of my box is the Terra Aloe Anti-Treat Toner. Really looking forward to using this one. The description says reveal your best skin yet and soothe away all the dead skin cells, so really looking forward to that, and also love the smell, and the packaging was amazing. The fourth item that I pulled out of my box was the Lifestyle & Co. Beach Mist. Now it says reset and refresh your skin with a soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. I really look forward to using this just because I'm one of those people that burn really easily, so I know I'm going to be using this a lot, and I love the smell and the packaging of this one. The fifth item that I took out of my box is the Coconut Vervana Hand Cream by Spongelli, and I'm very excited about this one just because I didn't have that many positive thoughts about it, but it ended up probably being my third favorite item out of the whole box just because it smells amazing and it's as nourishing and hydrating as it said on the description. Sixth item that I took out of the box is the Winky Lux Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Now this is a new item for me. I haven't ever heard of their brand nor used them before, so really look forward to using them, and I'll definitely be giving you guys updates on Instagram. The seventh item I took out of my box is this Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator, and it features a silicone side and a latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. So I really look forward to using this one, so you guys will be seeing me using this a lot. The eighth and last product from our box is this Michael Kors passport holder / wallet that I really love. And now let's jump into what's in the magazine and why is this such a good deal. Going through the magazine, I can see all the effort and care that they put into their customers' needs, and I really love that they have a little bit of everything for everybody. They have a whole bunch of stuff that is very interesting on their magazine, and also I love how they list all the prices for their items. Now let's jump into this bundle. The bundle for this box is that you're getting $299 worth of products for just $49.99. Now if you guys don't think this is a good deal, I'm here to top it off and tell you guys that I have a discount code for you to get your box for just $39.99. Using this code right here, Mariella10, you guys can get that discount and get your box for just $39.99. Well, with all that said, this video comes to an end. I hope you guys love this mini review, mini tutorial on everything that I got, and I hope to see you guys on our next upcoming videos. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!